Safous enable employees to access any application anywhere, easily, and safely. Safous can be used by all divisions in the company. Identity and access management features, such as dual authentication, ensure repeatedly that users who access enterprise application can be trusted. Safous restricts certain users to access certain applications as security compliance.
Ya mas, saya minta akses ya ini buat saya mas.
A third party such as vendor or customer can securely access your company's applications using a recordable supervisor session.
Nanti tolong monitoring akses ya. Oke.
Your IT admin can monitor, audit, and control third-party access.
Schedule a demo with us today. Visit safous.com.